Hello everybody, today
we are going to look at the insides of a remote control. Welcome to Harry's World. Are we okay?
the batteries.
Let's take the batteries out now. There's the compartment. And you picked a real doozy. There. Oh! How many batteries?
2 AA.
2 AA. Well done. 1. 2. 2 AA. And that's where the batteries go. That works nicely. That works nicely. And so as you can see, this is a very simple remote control. It has an on-off. It has a volume control. It has a function key, which I have no idea what it's for. It has a play button, so I'm assuming this goes to some kind of DVD player. Is this the DVD remote?
Let's take the knife.
Let's take the knife. Thank you. And shall we now see what's inside the remote control? Carefully in. As you can see, the knife's gone in, and we're now trying to force it open. Oh! Oh! We're going to cross the ridge, and it's there. The knife is in. We're now going to try and crack the shell. Oh! 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 Let's try the bottom now. Can you see it coming away? Let's go in. Oh no! No, no, no! Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh! And there we have the outside. Thank you, Harry. Let's take it apart, yes. So there are the buttons. This is the PCB. Those people in the trade know. Oh. Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh. How was that?
Who's that?
Was that good?
This is good. Other things there. Other things there. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. It's stuck. But we have, so we have the case, the PCB board, the keyboard, the outside, battery, and then we have 2 AA batteries. How's that?